All right, for the soup, you're going to get your chicken, and you're going to use roughly about 4 ounces. I got a little bit extra here that I'm going to use. You're going to add a little oil. Just make sure you rub it on. And then you're just going to place it in a 350-degree oven, roughly 8 to 10 minutes, just depends on the size of the chicken. Okay, so while your chicken is in the oven, go ahead and peel your carrot. You're going to dice your carrot small dice. You're going to do the onion small dice, and you're going to do the celery medium dice. You want to start with the carrot first because it's the most dense. And again, you can get that into the pot as you're going. So we're going to show you these small dice. Again, you'll cut the end off. Now you have a flat surface. And we want to get those roughly 1/4 inch. Set those aside. So you want them consistent. Put it together. There's your small dice. Same thing with the onion. Remember how to properly do an onion? Don't go all the way in. So keep it intact. You could go across, or you can just slice it this way. Bring that down. Get the other side. So you have the onion. We're going to do a medium dice with our celery. So a little bit larger. And we got a little bit larger dice here. Okay, so you got your celery, onion, carrot. Then you can mince your garlic, and then you can chop your parsley. Okay, so we have our garlic. It's always good to take out the core. These are the little ends there. Okay, now you guys are actually going to use it already. It's already going to be cut for you. But if you're ever doing whole garlic, the best way to do it is to actually smash it. And that'll help out with, basically we're just mincing. And again, the whole idea of the garlic being really minced is the fact that if it's too large, you can bite into a piece and it's not going to be really too flavorful. So the whole idea is that it's nice and finely minced, that you get the flavor of the garlic without biting into an actual garlic. So we set that aside. Then we got our little parsley. Okay, then you're going to go ahead and chop your parsley. So just make sure you chop it really good. And you've got all your components that you need, at least your components that you're going to prep. And here you go, you got your chopped parsley. Okay, this is what your chicken will look like. It's also important that you save, if you have any excess juice, use it, okay? Use it in your soup. Then you're going to let it cool. So while you're, again, dicing and prepping all your vegetables, this is in the oven, get all your vegetables cut and diced, then you can start preparing your soup. At some point, midway while you're doing that, you can pull it out, let it cool, and you'll add that into your soup. Okay, then you're going to get a pot, add your oil. And your vegetables, your onion, celery and carrot, add them in. So you're going to go ahead and sweat So basically all we're looking for is a little bit of moisture. Once you do that, then you can add your garlic. You should be able to smell that garlic cooking, okay? It'll give it a completely different smell altogether than the raw. So you get that going. Again, do not burn the garlic. So get it so you start to smell it. Then once you do that, you're going to add your chicken broth. And you're going to bring this up to a boil, okay, because then you're going to add your noodles. Okay, so once it comes to a rolling boil, add your noodles. Add your herb, which I have thyme here. You can use oregano. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, once it does that, then you're ready to do the finishing touches. You're ready to add your diced chicken, your lemon. Okay. So again, if you have this juice, I have the soup over here. And you just add all that extra liquid into it. Remove your chicken. Now if it's not cooked all the way, don't worry about it. It's going to eventually cook into your soup. So we'll dice this up. Again, we're talking about a medium dice. If you have a larger piece, you have to cut it in half. And then a half again. Again, don't worry if it's not all the way cooked because it will cook through. You just want to get those cut in. And there you go, you got your chicken. Okay, so again, noodles are just about done. Okay, check your noodles again. Those look perfectly cooked. So now what you're going to do, turn off your stove and then go ahead and add your parsley, your chicken, add your parsley, your chicken. Again, it's important that you turn it off because the chicken it's a little more tender. Okay, and then you're going to finish it off with the lemon. And of course, don't forget to season it with salt and pepper to taste. So in other words, that means add your salt, add your pepper, then taste it. Okay, the lemon will actually brighten it up a little. It gives it a little more flavor. It kind of brings everything together. So when you're doing your lemon, one way to do it to avoid seeds is to let those seeds, and then you can just kind of open up your fingers a little and all that juice comes out, as you can see. So we'll add some pepper. And we'll add salt. And this soup is ready to go. Chicken noodle soup. Alright, and this is your soup. Just like that. There you go. Chicken noodle soup.